What's the history of the business?
So Highwood, from what I'm understanding, I started just about 4 years ago, and at that point they just moved to this building, and furniture has been relatively newer than the overall business of the extrusion wood spa. But after they moved up here, the furniture business started expanding a lot, and we've grown a lot here. The team has grown a lot, and we've made a lot of different new products here.
Themselves. Oh yes. I've been here 5 years, and it's a great place to work. We're not stifled like big companies. We work as a family, and it's really a nice place to work.
Hello, I am one of the members of What's So Cool at Manufacturing at Blue Mountain Middle School. Highwood uses a robot that has human-like characteristics. They use robots so that the workers can do other things while the robot is working. The face has eyes that move around while it's working, and its arms operate like a human to pick up the materials. It's much more efficient because people don't have to jump around waiting for one process to get done. They can just press auto on and move on. The worker can add material to the robot's work area and then let the robot do its job. The way this robot works is by using air to suction the piece of material being worked on. The robot moves the piece to the place called the 0 point, the middle, and the machine promptly screws bolts into the material. This works in a way that the bolts heat up to a high temperature and get pressed into the material. The robot then takes the piece of material and moves it to the section where the workers pick up the piece and it's ready to use.